This video will show you how to bulk update the resource plan in Unify. Start by selecting your project and then navigate to the Resources module. Then go into the Resource Planning sub-navigation. On the left, you will see the Save, Bulk Add, and Snapshot buttons. On the right, there are filters that can be applied to the resource plan based on the tags associated with the users added. Once a project has a project team, which consists of the resources allocated to the project, the Bulk Add button can be used to populate this screen. When selecting users, the resource plan parameters must be applied, either globally or individually. To use the global settings, enter the parameters here. Select whether you want to update the budget, forecast, or both. In Unify, the budget tracks project costs and resources in hours, while forecasting predicts future workloads and remaining project effort. Then, enter the start date, end date, and hours per week. When you select the start and end date, weeks will be calculated automatically. If the number of weeks is a decimal, round it to a whole number to ensure whole number hours for resources. Once you select all resources and hit Apply, the system will calculate the end date and total hours, and copy this information to all selected resources. Press Save to confirm your changes. The percent allocation field can be used instead of entering the number of hours a week. Entering a percentage into this field will multiply the percentage with the standard hours of each resource multiplied by the weeks entered. Press Apply and then Save to confirm your changes. Note that if the standard hours column is blank here, this calculation will not work. A person's standard hours are entered from their profile. The Life Cycle drop-down can also be used if budgeting hours against a particular phase. By selecting a life cycle phase, it will copy the start and end dates into each resource row. Selecting Whole of Project pulls the start and end dates of the entire project. The dates will only appear automatically if the project has been scheduled in the Time module. Once the parameters are set, click Apply. If you want to apply different parameters to a different selection of people, press Save and then start the process again. When you are ready to finalize the resource plan, press Submit. You will now be presented with the results, and the data will be populated against the selected rows, dates, and resources. Thank you for watching this Unify tutorial.